Alright guys, this is the unboxing of quite simply the new Apple wired keyboard I picked up today at the Apple store. Very simple. There's so many unboxings of these around, but I'll add another one to the mix. So let me just grab this. I've kept the plastic wrap. And how much did I pay for it? I paid $50 for it. It's the wired version because I didn't really need the numeric keypad, so I was kind of eyeing the Bluetooth version, but then I really want those USB ports right here. It'd be really handy for the dongle on my NF solution, because I'm right now using 3 USB hubs for all my USB devices. I know that's crazy, but exactly. So move this Apple bag out of the way. When you open it up, it's actually replacing this clunker, which is a wireless keyboard. And it's not Mac compatible because it has like those Windows keys and stuff. Very confusing, so this will be a good addition. Open it up. So brand new. Wow, it looks new, feels new. Very thin. Let's see. Use software to install the latest keyboard software. Don't need it. Mac OS 10. Oh, that apple smell. I love it. Let's peel this off. Peel this off. Let's see if we can just cut this off. It's transparent. There we go. Very nice. It even has the new keys here that my MacBook doesn't have. It's like the dashboard expose. Very nice. Numeric keypad. Very sturdy. Very thin. What else? Oh, that's in the box. People are trying to eye on me. Okay. Slice off. It's a USB extender. I'm not sure if I'll need it or not, so let me see if I can put this back. I don't even know why I put that back. Took it away, but let's put this back in. Okay. Anything else? Alright. Just got mail now. Alright. Apple keyboard manual. I don't think I will really need to use it. And that's it. Simplest unboxing ever of my new Apple keyboard. Thanks for watching, guys.